Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our new academic year, 10th standard computer. This is the continuation of 9th standard. Okay, I will start a nested if continuation. Nested if. This is the conditional statements in Java. A conditional statement means when you apply a condition in a program, if it is satisfied or if it is true, then execute a block statement. Otherwise, execute another set of statements. Okay, the conditional statements are generally two types: normal flow of control and conditional flow of controls. Normal flow of control means when all the statements of a program is executed one by one from beginning to end. That is, without skipping any statement. The control is known as normal flow of controls. And second one, conditional flow of controls. A set of statements that are grouped together in a program is known as a block. During the course of programming, it may happen that we want to execute a block by ignoring another block based on a given condition. In this situation, the control is diverted to perform the task accordingly. It is known as conditional flow of controls. When the condition is true, a set of statements are executed. And if the condition is false, another set of statements are executed. Okay, there are two types of conditional statements, if and switch. First one is if. If statement checks the condition first. If the condition is true, then the statement is executed. Otherwise, ignored. That means only one condition is applied in this statement. If-else statement, if you want to execute either of the two statements depending upon a given condition, then if-else statement is used. If A greater than B, maximum number is A. Else, maximum number is B. Okay, this is the if-else statement. And another one, if-else if statement. Sometimes it may happen that the given condition is false and the user wants to check another condition for taking necessary actions. Under these situations, if-else if statement is used. For example, if marks greater than or equal to 75, system.out.println distinction. Else if marks greater than or equal to 60, system.out.println first division. Else if mark greater than or equal to 50, system.out.println second division. Else system.out.println third division. In this condition, the first condition is marks greater than or equal to 75. When the student is having mark 80, then system.out.println distinction. And if the mark is 65, it is a first division. Another condition, marks greater than 50, that is 50 to 60. That is 50 to 60 returns second division. Else, that is below 50, returns third division. This is the if-else if statement. And nested if, when if statement is used within another if statement, the construct is said to be nested if. An if statement within another if statement is called nested if statement. Okay. Then in some cases, when no conditions are applied in the program, the system breaks from the system exit from that group. That is used as a system.exit of 0. In the absence of break statement or the system.exit of 0, this is control not jump into the program. Okay, not exit from the program. In that cases, when we apply the system.exit of 0 or break statement in the program. Okay, the system.exit of 0 is used when you want to terminate the execution at any instances of the program. When you want to terminate the execution at any instances of the program. as soon as system.exit function is invoked. Okay. Then switch statement, it is a multiple branching selection statement, and in this statement a number of blocks are created under different cases. All the cases are enclosed within the curly brackets. Under switch statement, a particular case is executed based on the given value of control variable is passed as an argument to the switch statement. Switch off expression. Switch off expression, and that expression is a variable, it is a constant. It must be a character constant or integer constant. Switch off variable name, and that variable should be integer constant or character constants. Here one example is noted. Switch off A curly bracket case 1 system.out.println of good break. Case 2 system.out.println better break. Case 3 system.out.println best break. Default system.out.println invalid close bracket. That means when the control variable A is 1, then printing good, and the control variable is 2, the output is better, and the control variable is 3, the output is best. In all the cases are not matching, the system.out.println invalid. The control does not exceed these 3 conditions, then display the invalid statement. Okay, and this is the switch cases. The control variable and the switch variable is a control variable. And break statement, when one matching case is found, the break statement is applied in that case or in that block. When no break statement is applied, the control jump into the another case or jump into the next case, and that is called fall through. In the cases of in the absence of break statement, the control jump into the another case is called fall through. And what is a default case? Default case means when no matching case is found. When no matching case is found, the system execute the default clause. It is equivalent to the else clause. Okay, student. Then write down these questions in your notebook. First one, the electricity board charges from their consumers according to the unit consumed per month. The amount is calculated as per the tariff given below. Okay, units consumed up to 100 units, charge is 5.50 per unit. For next 200 units, rupees 6.50 per unit, and for next 300 unit, rupees 7.50 per unit. More than 600 unit, rupees 8.50 per unit. Write a program to input consumer name, consumer's number, and units consumed. The program displays the following information after calculating the amount. First one, a heading, money receipt, and second line, consumer number, and third line, consumer name, then unit consumed. After that, amount to be paid. Okay, this is the display format. How to write this program? Class electricity bill, void main of string name comma int cno comma int u. That is string name, it is a name of the consumer, and these variables are parameters. Name is a consumer name, cno is the consumer number, u is the unit consumed. Okay, void main of string name comma int cno comma int u. This is the input statement. Okay, parameterized construct, and curly bracket. What is the output variable? Amount. What is the output? Amount to be paid, and that variable should be initialized with 0.0. That is how to declare the variable. Double amt equals 0.0. Then calculate the amount as per the following condition. If U means unit consumed. If U less than or equal to 100, amount is equal to U into 5.50. If unit greater than 100 and unit less than or equal to 300, U means unit. In our record variable is U. Amount equals 100 into 5.50. That means first 100 unit, 5.50 per unit. Plus U minus 100 into 6.50. U minus 100 means for the next 200 units is the second condition. That means U minus 100 into 6.50. Another condition. If U greater than 300 and U less than or equal to 600, amount equals 100 into 5.50 plus 200 into 6.50 plus U minus 300 into 7.50. At last, if U greater than 600, that means more than 600 units. In our question containing the last one, more than 600 unit, 8.50 per unit. And that is if U greater than 600, amount equals 100 into 5.50 plus 200 into 6.50 plus 300 into 7.50 plus U minus 600 into 8.50. Then amount calculation is finished. System.out.println money receipt. This is the heading of the output. System.out.println money receipt. System.out.println consumer number, that is CNO. Consumer number is CNO. System.out.println consumer name, that is name. Name is the variable. Consumer name is the message and it is the heading. Then name is the variable. System.out.println unit consumed. Unit consumed is the next heading and the variable is U. System.out.println amount to be paid plus AMT, that is AMT is the amount variable. Okay, then close bracket. If U greater than 100, amount is equal to 100 plus 5.50. That means first 100 unit 5.50 and next 200 unit 6.50. That is 200 into 6.50 plus 300 into 7.50 plus U minus 600 into 8.50. Then display all the output statements, that is system.out.println money receipt, system.out.println consumer number, system.out.println consumer name, system.out.println unit consumed, system.out.println amount to be paid. Okay, these are the output statements. And the next question. Given below is a hypothetical table showing rate of income tax for male citizen below the age of 65 years. There are two columns, taxable income, that is TI, and next column income tax, that is how to calculate the tax based on the taxable income. Does not exceed 2,50,000, income tax is nil, that is 0. More than 2,50,000 and less than or equal to 5 lakh, tax equals TI minus, TI means taxable income, minus 2,50,000 into 10%. Another condition, more than rupees 5 lakh and less than or equal to rupees 10 lakh, income tax TI minus 5 lakh into 20% plus 34,000. TI minus 5 lakh into 20% plus 34,000. That is first 5 lakhs, the 20% tax plus and the 34,000 plus 34,000. First 5 lakhs calculation 34,000 and above the 5 lakhs TI minus 5 lakh into 20%. More than 10 lakh TI minus 10 lakh into 30% plus 94,000. That means up to 10 lakh 94,000, above 10 lakh 94,000 plus TI minus 10 lakh into 30%. Write a program to input the age, gender, male or female, and taxable income of a person. If the age is more than 65 years or the gender is female, display wrong category. If the age is less than or equal to 65 years and the gender is male, compute and display the income tax payable. Okay. First of all, we have to check the age is less than 65 and the gender is male. Okay, and these two conditions are satisfied, then calculate the tax. Otherwise, display wrong category. Otherwise, display no tax calculation. Okay, then how to write this program in using nested if? Class income tax. Class income tax. Curly bracket. Void main of. There are three variables, int ti, comma, int age, comma, char gender. Gender variable is G. Int ti, comma, int age, comma, char G. Male M, female F. There is only one character, so we can declare the variable as a character data type. And gender variable is G. Next, output variable, tax calculation variable, tax. Double tax is equal to 0.0. And these are the variable declaration. Int ti, comma, int age, comma, char G, double tax. Here, 4 variable can be declared. Ti, age, G. These are the input values. Okay. So, we can we can reading these values in main function. This is parameterized constructor. Then, first step, if age less than or equal to 65 and gender is equal to M, that is male. Age less than or equal to 65 and G is equal to M. Here, 2 equals means equality. Compare two values. Relational operators, age less than or equal to 65, it's a relational operator, and G is equal to M, both are relational operators, and G is equal to M is also called the compare two values, that is comparison operator. Okay, equality operator. And curly bracket, first condition, if Ti less than or equal to 2,50,000, tax is equal to 0, and the person having the 2,50,000 taxable income, then tax is equal to 0. Otherwise, if Ti greater than 2,50,000 and Ti less than or equal to 5 lakh, tax equals Ti minus 2,50,000 into 10 by 100, that is 10%. Okay, 100.0 means tax is a double variable and 100 is an integer variable. So, 100 declared as 100.0. If Ti greater than 5 lakh and Ti less than or equal to 10 lakh, tax is equal to Ti minus 5 lakh into 20 by 100.0 plus 34,000 plus 34,000. If Ti greater than 10 lakh, tax equals Ti minus 10 lakh into 30 by 100.0 plus 94,000. System.out.println, the tax details. System.out.println, gender equals G. System.out.println, age equals age. System.out.println, taxable income equals Ti. System.out.println, income tax equals tax. And this output display when the condition is true. Else close, curly bracket, system.out.println, wrong category. That means age greater than 65 and gender is female. System.out.println, wrong category. System.out.println, no calculation of tax. There is no calculation. Okay. Dear students, please write down these notes in your notebook and study. Do you have any doubts and call me personally. Okay, thank you.